Hello guys, this is Sai Rohit Reddy from Annamacharya Institute of Technology and Sciences, Rajampeta. In this video, I am going to show the analysis and design of the mat foundation for the building which we have designed previously. I have already assigned all the parameters like materials, soil properties, size of columns, thickness, load cases and load combinations. Now go for run analysis, click on run, go for run analysis. By default, it shows all the displacement. Now go for run analysis and design. And now go for display and check the punching shear ratio value. It should be less than 1. If not, we are going to increase the thickness. All the values more than 13 columns we are having more than 1. Now first unlock the model and go for define, go for soil properties and modify and show property and increase the thickness to 1000 mm. Click on OK. Again click on OK to exit. Now go for direct run analysis and design. Now go for display and check the punching shear ratio value. Although we increase footings are having more than 1 punching shear value. Now again unlock the model and change the thickness to 1200 mm. Click on OK. Click on OK. Now go for run analysis and design. It is completed. Now go for display. Click on show punching shear design value. Now we have having all the values within the limits, that is less than 1. Now go for display and go for show slab forces and stresses. Click on apply. This is momentum. Go for load. Click on that. Go for shear force also. Click on close. Again go for display. Now go for show strip forces. Click on shear force layer A. Click on apply. It shows all the shear forces in the layer A. And now we are going to see in layer B. Click on OK. These are the shear forces in the Y direction. Now go for momentum and click on layer A. These are the moments which are across the footings. Now go for the layer B. These are the moments. Now go for load combinations and check the moment values once. These are the moment values. Now go for close. Now go for display and check the crack widths. Click on OK. These are the crack widths on the foundation at the top, which are in the limits which are less than 0.13 mm. Now go for bottom face. Click on apply. These are also which are less than 0.195. These are all negligible. Click on close and go for run detailing. Click on OK. Now go for the drawing components view and click on slab views. Go for slab 1. Now you see the rebar plan in the slab 1. Here we are seeing the 25 mm bar for 18 mm and 25 mm bar for 19 mm the 125 mm spacing. Now go for the top rebar plan. This is top rebar plan, and go for bottom rebar plan and rebar 1, that is top and bottom both. Now go for the reinforcement layer A. This is the reinforcement profile in the layer A, and go for the reinforcement profile in layer B. This is the reinforcement profile in layer B, and now go for section 1. These are the section 1. Here by zooming this, here we are seeing the 16 mm bars of 5 number and 6. Now go for section 2 and go for drawing sheets and click on bill of quantities. These are the number of bars, the weight. The total weight is 24.89 megatons. Check the rebar schedule. And we are having the rebar table and the framing table. This is the design of mapped foundation, the building which we designed previously. Thank you Skyfi Labs for giving this opportunity in this lockdown. Thank you.